Epic Originals presents Animal Rescue Friends, Book 2, Belle and Kiki. Written by Gina Lovelace, illustrated by Genevieve Coate, performed by Ariana Delawari.
Brush the horses. Check. Feed the cats. Check. Scoop the dog poop. Check. Boyd, let me finish feeding Lucky. Then I'll give you all the belly rubs you want. Hi, Maddie. All done with the dogs? Just about, Belle. What else is left to do? I took care of everything else. We can both go home now.
Belle! Help!
We've got a ferret surrender. A family adopted Kiki without realizing she was pregnant. They were ready for one ferret, but not her 6 kids. And since Kiki needs to be with her babies, they had to give all of them up.
It's okay, Maddie. I've got this.
Are you sure you don't need me?
I'm sure. Thanks, though.
Great. I'll get their paperwork started while you get them out of the travel carrier.
Now, let's get you into your comfy new home. Kiki, I'm trying to help you and your kids, but you need to let me. All right. If you don't want to move, I won't make you. Hopefully, you'll be easier to deal with tomorrow. See you in the morning, Fred.
Thanks for everything, Belle. I don't know what I'd do around here without you.
Wait!
Don't worry, Belle. I knew you'd be coming by.
Thanks, Mrs. Becker.
You're a boogerhead. No, you're the boogerhead. You're both going to be grounded if you don't stop this. But Ben started it. That's it. You heard your mother. You're both grounded. For a month.
Did you get them? Sure did, Pop. Wonder Bar. Let's eat. How was your day, Bella? A little chaotic at the end. A family dropped off a ferret and her kits. When I tried to move them from the travel carrier, the mom wouldn't let me anywhere near her babies. I need to do some research to figure out why she's acting this way. Oh, Shotzi,
You put the whole world on your shoulders, my little treasure. Sometimes it is good to let others help you. It's like these cookies. You pick them up from the bakery for me every day. I could do it myself, but I let you help me. But who is helping you?
It's not like that. Cookies are one thing, but the shelter is another. I know how to do things right. If I let someone help, they could do it wrong. Night, Pop.
Night, Bella. Don't stay up too late.
Mother ferrets do not like being separated from their young.
The next day.
Just get through this. Brush the horses. Check. Feed the cats. Check. Scoop the... Hey, Kiki. I know you think I'm here to take your kits away. I'm not, but I have no idea how to get you to trust me. How did you open that? Last night, you wouldn't let me come near. Why are you... Oh, no! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Where's 6? You need to stay here and keep your other babies safe while I look for your missing kit. Little ferret, where are you? Hey, Belle. The dogs have all been fed. See you later. Maddie, wait! Actually, I could really use your help. Really? A kit got out, and we need to find him. He's not in this room, though. I've looked everywhere. Okay, let's check the other rooms in the building. I'm sure he can't have gone far. Come on, let's check outside. I really hope he's all right. Where could he be?
Hi, girls. For some reason, the dogs are really interested in this pipe, but Boyd won't let them near it.
Did you look inside the pipe? I've got this. Wait, maybe I don't.
We need to get all of the dogs back inside so they don't frighten the kid.
I'll stay here and see if I can get him out. Maddie, I've got a favor to ask. Will you mix some water and kitty kibble in a bowl and bring it out here?
Sure thing.
Kiki will be so happy. Maddie, would you mind helping me with a few other things too? I didn't get all the stuff on my list checked off quite right.
Oh, I don't know. Just kidding. Of course I will.
That's a great idea. I hate carrying poop around, even for a few minutes.
Yeah, me too.
Would you mind helping me with my checklist more often?
I thought you'd never ask.
I'm going to add one more thing. Let someone help you.